Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. We're gonna do some coloring of our notes together. Right, I gave you the notes. This should be in Notability, although mine is an error. I fixed it for yours. Yours says 5 and 6 instead of 7 and 8. But we're gonna do some coloring. We're gonna color our independent variable. I'm gonna color mine blue. And our dependent variable a different color. I'm going to color mine green. Okay, so we have 6 steps to writing a hypothesis. The first one is to write the word if, then write the change being made, also known as the independent variable. Whatever's changing, we're writing that after the if. Number 3, write the word then. Number 4, write what you think will happen because of this change, also known as the dependent variable. And number 5 is write the word because. And number 6 is write why you think your prediction, your if-then stuff, everything from before the because will happen based on research or your own inferences. So things that you know or learn about the topic, or things that you've been able to kind of figure out based on observing. So we're going to do 2 examples that we're going to color. Example 1, the question we're using is, how does the amount of sunlight affect the height of the plant's growth? The independent variable, what we change, is the amount of sunlight. The dependent variable, what we measure, is the plant's growth. In this case, the height that the plant's growing. And the hypothesis is, if a plant gets more sunlight, right, that's a specific way we're changing the amount of sunlight, increasing it, then it will grow taller, and that's what we are expecting to happen to the growth of the plant, because sunlight helps a plant grow. So remember, our independent variable is blue, our dependent variable is green. So I'm going to just highlight again here, independent variable, oops, I did the wrong one. Our dependent variable is green. Dependent variable down here is green. And our independent variable is blue. Independent variable is blue. So in the question, how does the amount of sunlight affect the height of a plant's growth? Our independent variable in this question is the amount of sunlight, just like it says down here. And in our hypothesis, if a plant, remember after the if, we write the independent variable, gets more sunlight, that's how we changed it specifically, then it will grow taller because sunlight helps the plant grow, right? Our dependent variable is the plant's growth, so it will grow taller is our dependent variable. And in our question, how does the amount of sunlight affect the height of a plant's growth? Height of the plant's growth is our dependent variable, right? What we're changing, what's changing because of that change, or what we're measuring. So if we do the second example, the question, how does changing the height of a ramp affect the time it takes a toy car to go down the ramp? Our independent variable says what we change, the height of the ramp. How does changing the height of the ramp, there's height of a ramp, affect the time it takes a toy car to go down the ramp? And it says what we measure, the time it takes the toy car to go down the ramp. So we highlight that one green for dependent variable. And then we look at our hypothesis. If the height of the ramp increases, that's specifically saying what we did to change the height of the ramp. Then the toy car will go faster, takes less time, down the ramp. So the car will go faster because the speed of the car increases when the ramp is steeper. That's the reason why we think that when the height increases, or if the height increases, then the car will go faster or will take less time. So hopefully this was helpful to you. Remember to use it on your writing your hypothesis assignment today, along with your Kim chart from Monday, so that you can remember which one's which for your variables. And have a wonderful day.